Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix screen rotation not working on your RedMagic 11 Air. So first, what you guys want to do is enable auto rotate in the settings. So we're going to open up the settings right here in the control center. Now we're going to enable it. Make sure that this is somewhat bluish or purple. And then after that, you're ready to test and tilt the phone to test the gyroscope in different apps. So you guys can try, let's say, YouTube. That's a good example. You guys can try Chrome. You guys can try going here. As you guys can see, the auto rotate is definitely working. And here we can also try, let's say, YouTube for an example. So we're going to go here. Now we're going to go and open up some videos, and here, as you guys can see, it also works. So we got everything right here, it's ready, and the gyroscope works perfectly fine. But if it's not working for you, then what you guys want to do is simply restart your phone. So this is also very important, to restart your device to refresh the entire system, and it will also reset the sensors. So hold the power button only. Now tap the restart option and tap again to restart it. Now it's restarting, and I'll see you guys in a second once it's done. After the restart, what you guys want to do as a last resort is simply go over here. Now let's enter the password pretty quick. Go to settings, and here we're gonna update our software to fix any sensor issues. So this is as a last resort. We're going to scroll down in the settings to system and update. Make sure that you have the Wi-Fi connection. Click system update. And here it's checking for updates. So my software is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you updating it. It's very important to keep up with the latest version. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.